How to get zero point 0.5 on Snapchat Android. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can get the zero point 0.5 on Snapchat Android. So if you want to get zero point 0.5 on your Snapchat, first of all you have to launch your Snapchat app here. Once you have launched your Snapchat, and here you can simply see the source icon, you have to go and click on that source icon. On the search bar, just search for the white here. So once you have searched for the white, here you can see the varieties of option and also you can see the zero point 0.5 option. Simply tap on that. Once you have tap on the 0.5x option, so you have to just go for your camera and here you can see the wide angle of my laptop here. So with the help of this simple step, you can easily get the zero point 0.5 on your Snapchat by the help of searching the wide angle filter on your Snapchat source bar. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.